In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. It's easy, just follow these steps to delete your Instagram account. You need to open any browser because you can do it on Instagram app, so just open any browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then here in the web address go to Instagram.com, click on login. And then log into the Instagram account that you want to delete. Go to your Instagram profile by clicking on your profile picture at the lower right corner. Go to settings, clicking on the gear icon at the upper right corner. Here you need to scroll down and the find help, click on it. Then go to help center. Now you need to click on the three lines icon at the upper right corner. And click on manage your account. Then click on delete your account. Click on delete your Instagram account. And then you need to scroll down again and click on delete your account. Okay, first either to select a reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Just to select any reason. Then to continue deleting your Instagram account you need to enter your Instagram password. Once then you can help click on the delete button here.